Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Sherfy and I currently work at Delaware County Children Youth Services in our in-home department. We use the acronym SCO for Services for Children in Their Own Home. So I work with a variety of people, clients, families, moms, dads. I work with grandparents. So most of my clients do have mental health diagnoses, substance abuse concerns, homelessness. I've seen a lot of it, and I've only been there for 3 years. I'm continuing to see new things every day, learn new things every day, and just work with different people. So I work with half my caseload right now. My parents on my caseload have a mental health condition, and they receive services for that condition. So I'm there just to make sure that they're following up on that, making sure that they're taking their medications if they're on medications, and then also making sure that the kids' daily basic needs are being met, that they're going to school and so forth. So I'm there just to make sure that everything's working and moving along smoothly. And if it's not, then I am there to help them implement new services, get them the help they need, and so forth. What are my beliefs about mental health conditions and people who are diagnosed with it? I truly believe that mental health diagnoses are not to be taken lightly, but I do understand the importance of them. I know for most of my clients, they always tell me, like, Nicole, like, I need to have this on paper, I need to say this. So I do see the importance of that, and even with obtaining Social Security for some people, for their children who do have a diagnosis, that they need to receive benefits for that child. So they need documentation stating the diagnosis and what services that they're doing to help them. So I do believe that, getting that diagnosis in the initial beginning part is important. But I do feel like people who do get diagnosed, they need to be reevaluated more frequently. I have a client right now that she's been in treatment since 2019 and has not been reevaluated. She always tells me that stuff, comes up, and they always reschedule it, and they don't take an importance of it. So I do feel like they should take more an understanding that they should be reevaluated more frequently. Because all she says she does is she sees her therapist, who she loves, and she does her med management check. So I feel like there should be more, just to see what's working, what's not, and setting new goals and so forth. In what ways do I participate to make a DSM-5 diagnosis? I unfortunately have never made a DSM-5 diagnosis. I have worked through the DSM-5. In undergrad, I did many projects working with the DSM-5, but I've not made a diagnosis. But yes, I'm looking forward to meeting all of you and watching all your introductory videos. Thank you.